Tavar has a long history in the market of Italian parquet manufacturers, and since 1950, the date of its foundation, Tavar set the rules and the style of Italian parquet. Foresight and continuous research and development of new products and furthermore new styles played a strategic role and has been its main work philosophy. Born as a family company, Tavar still maintains the spirit of a leader in the field of wood flooring. Tradition and experience, together with flexibility and adaptation spirit to change, has been along the years the secret of its success not only on local Italian market, but also on foreign ones. Till the present century, during the first 30 years of its life, Tavar has been a leader in production of solid wooden floors, at these times the only requested on the global market. After 2000, when the market evolved to engineered floorings, Tavar was one of the first to renew all facilities and machinery to follow the fastest way possible these new market trends. Tavar's strength can be resumed, telling that the company perfectly combines the potential for huge volumes production with the extreme accuracy on any on-demand tailor-made inquiry. Focusing target on 100% made in Italy production, Tavar is today a relevant player both on local and foreign markets.